Hey gang, it's your boy Benjamin, and today I'm going to teach you 3 different methods to get a wicked curve in your hat visors. Option number 1, I'm an old school kind of guy because I'm a man, I'm 40. I've always done it with my hands for all the years I played baseball, all the years I worked for baseball teams. Easy solution right here. Find your center, which of course is indicated by the seam. Get a nice little curve in there, and then slowly move your thumbs outward. You don't want to basically turn it into a taco or a pyramid. So it's all about finding that good curve. Boom. And then once you get the ridges in there and everything just kind of perfectly rounds out, that's when you can go to town. Find your edges. There you go. Option number 2, I'm going to use my trusty Tampa Bay Rays hat once again. We've got the new era visor curve right here. So once again, how much of a curve do you want to put in this hat? So I'm going to go as much as I can. So boom, get it around your visor, and then it'll start to curve as you move it inward. Lock it into place. Leave it, and you're good to go. And of course, option number 3, which is way more scientific, way more heavy duty. All the kids are doing this one. We're gonna use the steamer and a water bottle to get that really good, locked in solid curve. So first thing you gotta do, remove the stickers because you can put them back on later if that's your fancy. But for now, steam's just gonna roll them right off anyway. So turn your steamer on. Let's go to a high setting right there. And then start steaming that visor. Biggest reason why this works is because all visors are made with compounded cardboard. So once you get it wet, it's gonna start creasing in a little bit more. Get a little bit on the bottom, a little bit more on the top. Get it nice and moist. Then grab your water bottle, find your center, curve it in. Then apply a little bit more steam. Set it in. Wow. Now, drop a line in the comments if you've got a completely different method that maybe I haven't shown you in these top 3. Either way, we want to know, how do you curve your visors? Let us know ASAP.